National Institute of Technology Mizoram has received an overall rating of 3.6 stars from students on Shiksha.com. So how are the BTech courses offered here? Let's find out, starting with the placements rated 3.9 out of 5 stars. Over 75 companies conducted recruitment drives at NIT Mizoram during 2023-24 academic session, including Mahindra & Mahindra, Vedanta, L&T, Adobe, Deloitte, Ashok Leyland and Alstom. The top roles offered included software developers, data analysts, control systems, electrical distribution and project engineers. As of April 2024, 84% of the registered students at Training and Placement Office have been placed with an average CTC of 7 lakh per annum. In comparison, while NIT Mizoram offers better average packages than NIT Nagaland, it still lags behind NIT Meghalaya. In the previous year, in 2023, NIRF data shows 105 students graduated from the 4-year UG program in 2022-23. Of these, 91 students secured placements, while 6 students opted for higher studies. The placement rate in 2023 stood at 87%, reflecting a slight decline from 2022. Internships are mandatory, while students securing opportunities at SAIL, Indian Railways, AAI, Google, Microsoft, and more. Stipends typically range from 5,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. Moving on now to the academics, where NIT Mizoram offers a 3.6 rated BTech program with 6 specializations, including mathematics and computing engineering. Eligibility requires 75% in 10+2 with admissions based on JEE main scores. A quick look at the 2024 cutoffs reveal intense competition in CSE and mathematics and computing specializations. As for the cost, the total course fees varies based on family income. For students with a family income above 5 lakh per annum, the fees is approximately 6 lakh rupees. For those between 1 to 5 lakh per annum, it is 2.7 lakh rupees. And for those below 1 lakh per annum, it is around 1 lakh rupees. The total hostel charges for 4 years amounts to 1.26 lakhs, while mess charges is 1.76 lakhs. Government scholarships are available for meritorious, economically disadvantaged and reserved category students. Moving on now to the 3-star rated infrastructure. NIT Mizoram currently operates for temporary facilities in Aizawl, with its permanent 190-acre campus under development near Lengpui Airport. The new campus is expected to be operational within the next 2 years. Students highlight challenges with the infrastructure, including classrooms that need improvement and network and Wi-Fi issues due to hilly terrains. While the library is well equipped, it lacks sufficient reading space. Sports facilities are limited as the institute does not yet have its own permanent campus. Despite these challenges, the laboratories are well equipped, featuring facilities for hydraulics, power systems, and computer networks, along with centers of excellence in computational nanotechnology. The institute provides 4 boys' hostels and 1 girls' hostel located at a distance from the academic buildings. Buses operate between the hostels and the campus for student convenience. The campus also ensures round-the-clock security and on-campus medical facilities. Turning our attention to faculty and course rated 4 stars. Students appreciate the highly qualified faculty, many of whom hold PhDs and the industry-aligned curriculum. In 2023-24, leading professors from Germany and the USA conducted workshops at NIT Mizoram, fostering faculty and student exchange programs and research collaborations. The institute has also introduced minor streams in semiconductor and VLSI, AI and ML, and sustainable electric transportation alongside regular BTech programs. Strengthening academic partnerships, NIT Mizoram signed an MOU with IIT Madras, allowing selected undergraduate students to complete their final year at IIT Madras and pursue PhD opportunities here. The institute actively promotes research and innovation, witnessing a 4-fold increase in sponsored projects and consultancy in 2023-24. Moving on now to the campus life rated 2.9 stars. Major highlights include the annual Culture and Technical Fest along with the sports events. However, students feel that the lack of permanent campus limits the number of events, making campus life less vibrant. Lastly, NIT Mizoram is currently positioned in the 101 to 150 rank band in the NIRF 2024 engineering category. For more details on NIT Mizoram and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.